Okay, I've been asked, how do you pick a tubular lock? One of the most popular locks we're always picking is the Century Safes. Has a little tubular or ace lock on it. So this is the pick I use. I had a bunch of different tubular lock picks, and I will show you how we do it right now. Again, this is a super easy one to pick. I haven't picked this one yet. This is the first time. So let's see what happens here. So step one, these all have to be flush. So these are the little picks. So what we do is we loosen off the little knob, and we just put it on a flat surface, and then you can see here everything's all flat now. So I'll just go again. I'll just, these could be all over the place, So we're just going to take that, put it on a flat surface, and then lock it down just gently, not super tight, just gently. And now we'll go to here is the pick, the lock, or here is the tubular lock. I'm going to lock it. And this happens all the time with these locks. So we want this gentle. If you see there's a little tiny notch that will fit in there. So just inside, there's a little notch that fits in there. So we're going to put the lock in here, and we're going to slowly take off pressure. That's all it is. What I'm doing is I'm applying light turning pressure to the right, and I'm sort of bouncing the pick up and down just gently. So it's unlocked it now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it back to the lock position. Now it's turning. I'm going to put it back to the lock position. Actually, the pick came out wrong. Now what I can do is, you see how these picks how the little picks have gone in? The tension has actually pushed it in. Now what I do is I can lock this down now, and I can take this and make a key. So there's a special key machine. I'll show you how to make a key on another video.